My parents both are baptized members. They were married in the church. I'm the first child for them, and I was given to the church at a tender age, and from that time until now I have been serving the church. First it was from my father. He was a Rastafarian and got converted to Christianity. And my mother was, that is my grandmother was an Orthodox. So she baptized all her kids. And so my mother was baptized in the faith. So after my father's conversion, as an Orthodox Christian, he met my mother in the church. And, you know, both of them fell in love and, you know, married shortly after. I met my wife in 2005, Woleta Maskell. That is after I came to Kingston to study, and while studying at university, you know, we are always active in the church, and you know, having conversation, we got close, and the rest is history.